Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. So guys, if you have getting a message that say your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra phone is not registered to a network, you wanted to follow these steps to fix it. So let's get started. Generally, if you are seeing this issue, it might be issues with your cellular or your SIM card. So first thing is to try to move to a different area, see if you can get cellular service. You can usually see up top here. Now, if that's not the case, sometime what you need to do is to take the SIM card out and reinsert back into. If you are using eSIM, then you need to delete the eSIM and then scan it again and enter it. Now, if you have a physical SIM, so look for the SIM card slot. It will be on the bottom. And then you take a SIM ejector, insert it into the hole, and you just simply push it in there to take it out. And then push it back in. Now, if it does not ask you for a restart, then you can restart your device themselves by just swiping down to enter in the quick panel setting, tap on that power icon and a menu will pop up. Tap on restart and your device will be restarted. Now, if that does not work for you, the next thing to do is to go in your settings and then connections. You are going to tap on that flight mode button to turn it on briefly and then turn it back off. And that will do a refresh of your network. Now after that, you want to click on mobile network. And then in the mobile network here, you are going to go to network operator. And instead of automatically setting, you need to turn that off and manually select your network from your carrier. And moving on to the next thing you wanted to go ahead and do is go back to the main settings, going to scroll down to the general management and search for reset. We are going to go to reset here and we are looking to do a mobile network reset setting. So this one which will reset your mobile settings here. So you are going to click on to reset the network setting on your mobile devices. Now if you have done that, it's still not working. The next thing to do is to connect to a Wi-Fi. You wanted to try to see if there is any update on your device. So open up your settings, then software update and check out for the update available. If there is going to be any software update, you need to update your device in order to solve any issue. So guys, if you have reinserted the SIM card, restarted it, did a network resetting, check out all the updates and still facing an issue, there could be an issue with your phone carrier. Maybe they have an outage or something with your account. In that case, you will have to contact your phone carrier just to let them know that you are having an issue. Sometimes they might have to do something on their end to resolve your thing or push a refresh or reset your account. After that, it should work for you. So guys, these are some tips and tricks on how to fix if there is no network on your device. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.